Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to fix these stubborn floor mats on a 2009 Scion XD. This is for any issue where you can see that the floor mats originally had some hooks here, and either the hooks had come off over time or it just was never able to stay. And it's really not convenient but safe, because if these floor mats can push up, they can get stuck underneath the pedals, and then you can never really have kind of a good place to put your feet, and the pedals potentially could get stuck. So I'm gonna show you a cool little trick that I learned on how to replace it. It shouldn't cost you much at all, and it's really easy to do. So essentially what you're gonna do is you're just gonna get a paper clip. For reference, compared to my hand, you're just gonna get one of these clips here that's about this size, and you're gonna take it off. You're gonna take off this part, you're gonna feed it through here, it's gonna go to the bottom, and it's gonna connect down here. And it's just gonna hook it, and it's the best and simplest solution I have found so far. So real quick before I show you how to do it, for reference, this is the one I was showing. I just pulled two out right here, so make sure you get a couple. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to take one of them, you're gonna push it down like this through here, and then you're going to go with these two little clips on the end. You're going to go in and then in, and as you can see, it doesn't even move. You go in and in, and it's the exact same process. Look at that, it totally stays in. It's like it was made for it, and there you have it. That is a cool little trick that I've learned, how to attach these floor mats on a 2009 or of any age year Scion XD. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.